Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Man, the Van, and the Bird. It was brought to my attention that I grossly overlooked introducing the bird. And the bird is none other than this girl right here. That's Birdie. Birdie's 3/4 Boston Terrier, 1/4 Frenchie. I don't know if that qualifies her as a Frenchton or not. I think of her more as a Boston Terrier. She's got some characteristics of a Frenchie in her looks, but her personality and really, she's a Boston, and she's an awesome dog, and she's my road dog. We've been doing this together now since February, and man, she's the best. So you know who the man is. That's me, Ian Kane. The van you've seen, and now you know who the bird is. Bird. That's the bird girl. The bird. Birdie. Birdie baby. She's got about 1,000 nicknames. I'm sure you'll hear them all. Anyway, till the next video, hope you're out there getting it. I know we are. Yeah.